Hello, this is a video tour of 595 33rd Avenue. We're at the exterior of the building. This is a corner building located in the Richmond district. Okay, so this unit comes with one car private parking. It is a manual door. This is very large, plenty of storage space in there. This also comes with a private side patio. This is exclusive for this unit. Towards the back of the patio, you also have a private laundry room. And there's plenty of storage here as well. Okay, we're going to head on over to the main part of the house now. This unit has been completely renovated. It is a converted 2-bedroom with beautifully renovated kitchen and bathroom. It's been fully painted. And you have a nice view here of your private yard. You enter and it is the unit here to the left. Nice long hallway. You have 2 really large closets inside right as you walk in. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. It's a great coat closet with additional storage. Here's your linen closet. And across the way is a nice big bedroom. There are double pane windows, beautiful hardwood floors throughout, lots of natural light. This is the view out this room here. There are heater vents in each of the rooms as well. Here's a peek inside this closet. Okay, down just a little bit is a beautiful bathroom. Nicely remodeled. You have a bathtub here. Toilet, sink, and separate shower. Okay, so here is a beautiful living room. This is a corner unit. This gets the most sunlight here. Nice, spacious room. You also have barn doors that separate this dining room or converted second bedroom. And here are the doors. Here's a peek out the window here. And finally, you have an amazing kitchen with gas range, beautifully remodeled, stainless sink, dishwasher. There's space for a home office there, and refrigerator. Okay, if you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.